Good day everyone. Today I will explain the concept of peer assessment. So first, the meaning of the concept peer assessment is when students evaluate or give feedback on the work of their classmates. Instead of only the teacher checking the work, students also help review and assess each other's activities, assignments, or projects. This allows students to learn from one another and understand the lesson better. Second, a classroom example. For example, in a grade 4 class, the teacher asks the student to write a short paragraph about their family. After they finish writing, the teacher tells the student to exchange their papers with a partner. Each student read their partner's paragraph and checks of the capital letters, spelling, and punctuation marks are correct. So they can also give simple suggestions or positive comments like good job or you can add more details. And lastly, why peer assessment is important in teaching and learning. Peer assessment is important because it helps students develop critical thinking and responsibility. It also encourages cooperation and participation in the classroom. When students evaluate the work of their classmates, they become more aware of mistakes and learn how to improve their work. It also builds confidence and communication skills. And also, peer assessment helps students learn together, support each other, and improve their learning. And that's all. Thank you.